What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Mo Paid Media YouTube channel. I want to talk about what's the difference between paid, owned, and earned media. So, as you may know, earned, paid, and owned media are like the three elements that make up media nowadays as far as for digital marketing and how we kind of categorize certain types of media. So that's what I want to go over in this video, guys. So let's first start with paid media. So paid media is when ads is essentially ads that you pay for. So this is Google or any social media ads. So essentially, the definition of paid media is advertising that you pay for on Google or Facebook or any other type of social media ad or platform. So the purpose of paid media is to increase your reach quickly. So it's anything that you have to pay for. Next, we have own media. And own media is content that you can control. So this is like your website, blog, as well as email lists. So the definition of own media is content that you control, like your website, your blog, and social media profiles. And the purpose of own media is it builds your brand. It builds your brand presence over time. So own media takes a lot longer to get, as well as it is more so organic when you think about it. So when you think about paid media, think about fast instant results, and then when you think about own media, think about organic. Like it takes time to build. It's more so for longevity. So essentially, all businesses should aim for all three, right? And the last one that we're going to talk about is earned media, which earned media is when you get free exposure from others. So this is like PR or word to mouth or shares. So I put a picture of Keith Lee. If you don't know who he is, he's like this very popular food critic or just like food reviewer on TikTok. I know he started off on TikTok, but what he does is he goes to these small restaurants that people don't really know about, and he will review their food, make a review video on social media, normally TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, but he posts that, and pretty much he helps small businesses get recognition, and they don't have to worry about paying for ads. Well, they don't have to worry about paying for him to do a review of over their restaurant. He kind of just does it himself. He does take recommendations from people around the city or whatever, but he pretty much just pulls up, orders the food, and does the review in his car, posts it online, and based off of his review, if it's a good review, then people will come to their restaurant. If it's not really a good review, on his based off of his opinion, restaurants have been known to close down if what he says about their restaurant isn't really good. So this is a good example of earned media. So it's essentially free exposure. It's just PR, word of mouth, as well as shares. So the the purpose of this is to enhance the credibility and the trust of a brand or a company. So with both, well, all three earned, owned, paid media, all of these work together for a strong marketing strategy. So you need all three: earned, paid, owned media in order. You need to have them all working for you, for your business, in order for you to have a successful marketing strategy. So If you like videos like this, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I make videos about paid media, training videos, review videos, all about paid media. And yeah, if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Any questions, comments, and concerns you may have. And also be sure to check out my toolkit with all types of different advertising, kind of paid media, digital marketing tools that will help you on your digital marketing journey. Yeah, so be sure to subscribe and check that out. Peace.